Just another quick video. I am the Caveman, and this is Caveman Creations. And today we're going to work on the battery here. Going to replace this cable, because it's just garbage. Put a new bolt in. Sprayed it down with some of my blaster. If you've ever seen any of my other videos where I'm working on stuff, I love that blaster stuff to break bolts free. And then I got to get this nastiness off, because that is just terrible. So that's what I'm going to do. So as you can see, got it out. Came out no problem actually. It was pretty easy. But I am going to put a new bolt in and clean up this area a little bit first. It's a 9/16. I expected it to give up a little bit more of a fight, but it didn't. So I ended up using a hacksaw to cut this cable to get this end off. You can see this thing was cracked and pretty beaten up. So now I got brand new one on there. Nice connection. New ground. Put some insulation on either side, just some styrofoam, just to keep the battery from moving around. But that will make that so much better to start. Got some Rust-Oleum Caterpillar yellow, and I painted the top here where I'm going to put the arm pad in. Got to paint it before I can put the arm pad on. That's what both sides looked like. I just took a wire brush over the top of it, get rid of any of the loose, paint chips, and now I'm just painting over it all. It's going to take a couple of coats, but I do like the color. It's going to look really good. Well, as you can see, I got carried away. Figured while I started, I might as well just kind of keep going. But that looks a lot better. It's getting there. Still got a ways to go. So I mounted the arm pads on today after I got this painted. A couple of screws holding them in. Those are perfect. Seat's missing because I have that in the shop, getting ready to redo it, because it was literally a rat's nest or mouse nest. Painted the floor. Still got to paint the dash. And as you can see, painted a bit more of it. So it's coming along. Still got the plow to fix. And still need to make a grill for it. But other than that, it's coming along really nice. Till the next one.